Hello and welcome back to Stock Markets with KR. This is UR, and I'm going to talk about the weekly analysis, which is data driven. Before we go to the weekly analysis of data driven, the indices, here is a classic trend following example that you can see that Nifty has been following 15 minute on 50, this is 15-minute chart, 20 moving average. It's been going down except for this breach, small two breaches over here. It has been going down since a long time, and then there was a bounce back, went back below the 20 moving average, bounced again, and then again below the 20 moving average on the 15-minute chart. This is for those people who are following technicals, और अगर आप डेटा को ही मानते हैं, क्योंकि टेक्निकल भी डेटा पर ही डिपेंडेंट है अल्टीमेटली। तो ये रहा निफ्टी का लेखा जोखा, बैंक निफ्टी का लेखा जोखा यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं। बैंक निफ्टी एंडेड एट 17101.95, which is down 515 points in comparison to the previous Friday, 21st January, a drop of 2.92%, big one in my opinion. And in comparison to 3rd January, which is the first trading day of the month, Nifty dropped 523 points, which is 2.97%. Correspondingly, Bank Nifty ended with 37689, an increase of 115 points or 0.31%, which is ऑलमोस्ट फ्लैट। अगर बैंक निफ्टी के हिसाब से ये 100 रुपया ऊपर नीचे तो कुछ हिसाब नहीं है इसका। वो तो पलक झपक में एक उड़ा देता है 100-200 रुपया बैंक निफ्टी। बट द गुड थिंग इज दैट इट इज नॉट नेगेटिव इन लाइक निफ्टी, विच इज 3% negative almost. And in comparison to the first trading day of January, Bank Nifty is up 1267 points, which is almost 3.5 points, as against the Nifty negative 3 points, which is very concerning, mainly dragged by IT metals and Reliance. So this is the in summary picture. And now if we look at the lowest points during the week, these are the lowest points. In on 25th January we hit a lowest point, and the highest point, which was of last week, has never been reached. This is the problem area that Nifty has been facing. इफ वी लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी, तो बैंक निफ्टी में भी जो पिछले हफ्ते के लो पॉइंट थे और हाई पॉइंट दोनों सेम ही है। इस हफ्ते में कुछ नहीं हुआ है। बैंक निफ्टी हैज एक्चुअली रिमेन्ड विद इन अ रेंज between last week's low and this week's and last week's high, which is okay. It's a good thing. कि there is no further damage, but in a way it is actually hurting if it is not going up. But good thing that it has not fallen below 37,000 on a closing basis. Now, if we talk about the average for Nifty, for the month average, it comes to, based on the high and low only, it comes to 17,600. So unless and until Nifty closes above 17,600, we will not see some kind of bullish momentum. And in case of Bank Nifty, it is good that Bank Nifty has closed above 37,200, which is the average of the high and low, and Bank Nifty is actually comfortably placed at 37,600 plus 400 points above. This actually, there is one more day in January, which is 31st on Monday, but the week has ended on Friday, so I am showing it over here as if January has ended, unless January is going to give us plus 500 on Nifty or negative 500 on Nifty. Anything is a possibility in stock markets, friends. And this week, there is something different that I'm going to show you in a moment. First, let's look at the VIX situation. And as you know, this is my EOD data analysis. अगर आप मेरी analysis पढ़ते नहीं है investing.com में, पर so please go and subscribe to investing.com. The main issue of concern for निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी इज दिस इंडिया विक्स. ये जो है 24 जनवरी से 22, 21, 21, 20. This is where the problem is, and on an average during January, India VIX has gone up by 18, gone is an average of 18.23, which मैंने पहले भी बोला है कि 15 या 16 के बीच में होना चाहिए, तो थोड़ा मोमेंटम भी रहेगा और थोड़ा trend will also will be on the upside. Anything above 16, 17 is going to create panic, and at 22.83 on that day, actually it was 23, closed at 22.83. There was a lot of panic in the market. So अगर ये दो नए मैंने एनालिसिस चालू किए हैं OHLC. So this is how the OHLC of this particular week is looking like. Right, the high point and the low point. This we have the high point for the week ending 28th was 17,600 and 16,836. So दोनों के बीच में 762 points. And now you see Nifty is on the lower side of this particular range. So clearly there is a problem, right? Coming to the next one is the data related thing, FII. सो FII ने इस प्रकार से सेलिंग की है. इफ यू सी टोटल सेलिंग इज 37,000, ऑफ विच 22,000 crores is coming only in the last 4 days. That is 24, 25, 27, 28, 26 being a Republic Day holiday. So up to here it was okay. लेकिन ये जो सेलिंग हुई है, that has broken the back of the indices, Nifty in particular, and correspondingly, DIIs have not been able to match the kind of selling that these people have been doing. So this is also a concern. 18 is almost half. 37,000 is the total, and against that 18 and a half thousand is the buying by DII, leading to a 19,243 crores of net selling, which is actually causing indices to shiver even when there is not. I mean, yes, there are issues, but not that big issues that we are facing. And this is what we have seen in the earlier video. If you have not looked at the annual performance video, please go and have a look at that. सो निफ्टी कौन सी रेंज में खड़ा रहेगा, ये हम देख सकते हैं कि दीज आर द एवरेज मंथली द हाइज एंड OHLCs एवरेज. सो क्लियरली निफ्टी इज एट द रॉक बॉटम, 17,100 पे है. तो इस हिसाब से कहीं भी लो पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो 17,655. सो एज आई सेड couple of minutes back, 17,600 के ऊपर तो होना ही है उसको, नहीं तो बिकवाली आने वाली है. सेलिंग प्रेशर. बजट इज ऑन 1st of February, सो जस्ट 1 day ahead of the budget. एंड बैंक निफ्टी में देख लेते हैं. बैंक निफ्टी इज स्लाइटली बेटर प्लेस देन निफ्टी. इफ इन्फोसिस, रिलायंस, HDFC, TCS, these and Tata Steel, JSW Steel shine, then only there will be some up move in Nifty. Otherwise, we are going to see a problem. Bank Nifty average 37, 38, 37, 37. So it is all right. I think on an average basis, it should have closed 37 above 37,800, 37,700 के आसपास है. ठीक है, चलेगा. 100 points, 130 points is not a big deal for Bank Nifty. And this is giving an okay picture. Bank Nifty seems to be okay, and this is despite HDFC Bank not performing well. And ICICI, especially on the Friday, yesterday's session. So that's it from my side. Short and sweet, data driven writing is very clear on the wall. Expect huge volatility in the next 3 to 4 days on account of budget. In the time to budget, you should just stay positive and stay in cash to the extent possible. I wish you good